here. Welcome. I'm excited today to be on day 32 with you for the 100 Days of Junk Journal Pockets. This one is really pretty simple, but you might not think about doing it. So we're going to do it today and make a really fun pocket with a flip so that you can add journaling space. So it's really fun, and it's called a flip tag pocket, and it is on page 23 of the booklet. If you want to get the booklet, it is available on my Ko-Fi site as a digital printable. You can download it instantly with the 100 pockets plus 2 extras. Also, the instructions are in the comments, not the comments, the description below of the YouTube video. If you want those, they are available to you. Also, Creating with Jovi is collaborating with me. She is making the same pockets and her interpretation of the instructions and using her design papers just to show you that it can be made many multiple ways. And post your pictures. I'm loving your idea books. I'm loving your pockets. I'm seeing them in our Facebook groups, Jovi's and mine, and also you can post them on the YouTube community page. All right, so let's dive in. The flip tag pocket is interactive, which is a fun thing to add to any junk journal page. You need a large tag, or you can cut a large piece of cardstock similar to a tag shape if you want to. And then you're going to coordinate that with a smaller piece of paper to be the pocket. And then I'm going to actually add some journaling lines from my Autumn Whispers kit to the back of my tag so that I can journal on the back with lines, because I like that. So anyway, let me show you how we're going to make this. I've got everything already cut, and so I have cut my tag piece to be 4.5 inches by 5.5, and then I scored it at the top at 1/2 inch. And instead of putting a a hole through with a ribbon, I was thinking I would just adhere it to the page like this. So I'm trying to decide if I want the ribbon. I could do that. Okay, I heard you all the way through. So we are going to go ahead and make it look like a tag, since that's the whole premise. I'm just going to punch a hole right in the center there, and we'll put a ribbon through. All right, so I put a ribbon through my hole, and I am still going to adhere it to my page with that ability to open and close that way. All right. Pretty ribbon to match the colors on this page. So we're going to make a little shorter pocket. Of course, I said this is 4.5 inches, so this is 4.5 by 1.5. It's going to be a short pocket, but that's okay. I'm just putting glue on 3 sides, the bottom and the 2 sides. This is coordinating paper actually off the same page. I think I am going to use some of my glitter paste because I like that. It is a Crafter's Companion chunky glitter paste. This is the snowflake because it's kind of a clear glitter, and I like it because it's a fun look to add to any page. So we'll just do that, and I'm just going to take a little and put it on my finger and put it over the leaves for the leaves for this page. Now I also have some words, and I want to add those to my page. So I think I'm just going to add them around here on the pocket because I like adding words to my pages. So we're going to do that. I do have some charms on a bulb pen that I'm going to add here. I was going to put it on some trim, but I think this is what I'm going to do and let that hang there. That'll be cute. I did punch out some really tiny tags. These are the tiniest little tags ever. And I think I am going to put them on here, but I'm going to write a few words really tiny, real quick, and do that. And then I do have a couple of tags to pop into the pocket, which will be fun. Let me grab it. like that. Okay, so you can see how the tag part works. Now let me show you how to add on the back for your writing. And what I mean at the top means when I flip it up, you know, so it will be kind of upside down when it's lying the other way. Does that make sense? You know what I mean, right? So we're going to pull this down to about right here where that tab will be glued in. And I did cut it a 1/4 of an inch shorter, so I had that 1/8 of an inch on either side. I have some trim I'm going to put here at the top. This is the cutest trim. If you haven't seen it, it's on Amazon, and it is maple leaves. And you can get this pretty rust color and a green and a brown, and it is so pretty. And I shared it in another video, and I got some interest, and I can certainly give you that really quick. All right, so flip pocket. I've got my pocket flip tag pocket. So I've got my pocket here on the front of my tag with some embellishments. Then I've got my writing space here. Now this is my idea book. I'm just putting in here all my pockets that I've made next to the instructions so that I have them all together. And I'm putting the number of the day beside them. So this was day 31. So this will be day 32, 32, which is on this page. So I think we'll put this on the back side of that, and it will go here. So I'm going to tighten this up, pull my charms around, make sure they're hanging properly. All right, you will want your ribbon to be a little bit loose so that it will allow for your flip tag pocket to open. And so you can see here, I've got to allow for this to open so that I can actually write on this side and do a little journaling. And so that is how I created this cute pocket. And I love the sparkle, and what a fun pocket to make for day 32. I hope you'll come back tomorrow for day 33.